most probably think the dirtiest thing you interact with daily is the toilet seat, when in fact, it's your phone. And it's not even close. Studies have shown it can be 10 times, or even more, germ-ridden. It makes sense, considering everything you touch on a daily basis, that hundreds, if not thousands of others also touched. And only God knows who they are, what they touched, and what their hygiene habits look like. And even if you do wash your hands after going outside, once you take out your dirty phone, which on average an American does 100 times a day, unless you have been cleaning it too, I have some bad news. Hi, my name is Lukrembo, and here I have a functional, affordable solution for you. A 2-in-1 screen cleaner, where the microfiber cloth is integrated into the spray bottle itself. It's fairly compact, credit card for scale, 9.2 centimeters long and almost 3 wide, balancing between pocketability and having a comfy grip and wipe area, while still keeping the size of an oversized lipstick. And if you're a variety seeker or a multicolored collector, rejoice! There are many options to choose from, made by multiple OEMs in a few form factors. Some more premium options are even sold at the Museum of Modern Art, but whatever you choose, I would stay away from the round ones as they have less surface area. And if you're using a phone case, most good ones usually come with an elevated bezel to protect the screen from scratches and falls. With those, you will have a hard time reaching the edges. And I have been personally using the most affordable version on AliExpress for a couple of months now. Yeah, it didn't come in a fancy box, it didn't include the funnel or the spray, since it's so much cheaper just to buy a big one and refill. Or if you're more frugal or environmentally conscious, you can even make your own. It might also be the time to step your game up with a universal cleaner generator, using just salt and water to get hypochlorous acid that can be used to clean your whole house. Unlike bleach, it has lower pH values, safe and completely harmless, even if accidentally ingested. In fact, your very own skin naturally creates some. Cherry on the top, it's up to 100 times more efficient at killing microbial pathogens. Last but not least is the protective shell that helps you keep the microfiber clean, even in the messiest of pockets or bags.
Oh shit, here we go again.
There are more useful reviews on my channel, and I try to test. Please consider donating, or like, that's totally free.